at least one thing, I can use the stuff it's wrapped around to etch. Or I should be able to. Let me rephrase, I hope it's able to. Let's put on this dirty gloves. Because although this etchant is rather okay-ish in terms of toxicity, but still, I would not like to eat it or drink it. That's probably a very bad idea. Flop. I'll let it bubble away. Yeah. So that is annoying. It is floating. So the HPL idea works better. This becomes messy. This is far from ideal. It's not clean. Poking with my... That's even more annoying. Okay, so that doesn't work for this one, but anyhow, I can still check if this would be a viable option without using this fucking tape. Yeah, I need some sort of flat plate actually. That would be nice. Hey puss. Piece of glass. Gonna water it a little bit. Make that thing stop. That fits. It's made for it, by the looks of it. I'm not gonna even clean the ink off because I'm pretty sure this is not perfect. So, tweeter. .2. What? Well, that one is fucked, as you can see. A few kilo ohm. That's nice. So I actually think this one is rather okay. This one fucked. $15 ohm? Well, no. Fucked. So yeah. Wrapping it around works. But that's about it. Maybe the cleaning part wasn't great. Maybe the paper selection is not great. And the dirt underneath all this wasn't great either. So yeah, you can use bigger foil than A4 paper size if you wrap it up like this, I guess. Might have to try that again, but maybe with paper, thick paper inside it instead of a static piece of plastic. And make sure it is clean. And I might need to run a few cleaning cycles on the printer. Who knows? Let's waste some more ink. Why not? Well, this one can in the scrap bin, I guess. You can see it clearly here. Hole, 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 hole. Nah. This one is fucked. This is the gluey version. And, oh, my meter is stuck. It's this is not exactly a build video because I'm not gonna finish anything. So, but it is sort of a prelude for the thing I want to make. According to some feedback on the previous video on the Kickstarter thing, I thought I might look into making, if I ever start a Kickstarter, a smaller product that doesn't cost 1,000 euros or 1,200 euros, because I wouldn't drop 1,200 euros for something that I never heard, or you know, even if there are some reviews, it's a lot of money. So let's see how this etching went. And I cannot push too hard, so I get some weird readings probably, because there is no backing. There's nothing holding this coil together except the glue. So I cannot... You can see I did some small pinches. But this is around 2 ohms. That's the tweeter part. Rather low, but I'm sure it's too loud anyway, so there will be a resistor in series. And this is the other tweeter part. It says slightly higher, but that's... Oh no, also 2 ohms. Around the 2 ohm mark. This is the low end. 3.3 and that's... Oh, it's going all over the place. Oh, well, goes all over, so I'm pretty sure it's lower than the, 3.2. So exactly, well, exactly, cannot say exactly because it went all over the place, but the lowest I could get on all of these corresponds pretty well. So actually, although I thought this might fail all over the place, this one worked out quite nice. So far. I mean, I'm not out of the woods yet, because I still have to adhere it somehow to the mylar. And that might be that might not work at all, maybe. So, and if it doesn't work at all, well, I end up with nothing. So I hold my horses. But yeah, so I stretched some mylar, put some glue on it, and gonna glue a frame on it. I'm not gonna show it because it's, well, yeah, it's gluing foil on a piece of plastic, so I will make a video, I think, about trying to make this piece stick on the mylar and then probably fail all over the place, but well, some people like to see people fail, so might give me some views, you never know. No, but it might be interesting. I hope it works.